Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Museum of Geology. Now I am starting from mineral number 102, which is witherite. So the habit of witherite is massive, columnar or granular, and the hardness is 3 and specific gravity is 4.3. The lusture is vitreous, color is white, yellowish or grayish, and the streak is white. There are distinct cleavage and uneven or brittle fracture, and the occurrences of witherite are hydrothermal veins associated with barytes and galena, source of barium. Mineral number 103 is wolframite. So the habit of wolframite is tabular, also massive and bladed. The hardness is 4 and their specific gravity is 7.3. Lustre is submetallic. The color is brown, blackish, reddish or grayish. And also the streak will be brownish black. Perfect cleavage and uneven and brittle fracture. And the occurrences of wolframite are ores of tungsten, hydrothermal and pneumatolytic veins. Number 104 is wollastonite. So the habit of wollastonite is tabular, also massive and fibrous. Their hardness is 5 and specific gravity is 2.9. Lustre is vitreous and the color will be white, grayish, red or brown tints. Their streak is white and the cleavage is perfect to good. And the occurrences of wollastonite are contact metamorphism of impure limestones. Number 105 is wulfenite. So the habit of wulfenite is square, platy, also massive, granular. Their hardness is 3 and specific gravity 6.8. Lustre is resinous. The color will be orange, yellow, wax yellow, yellowish, grayish or brownish. The streak is white. The cleavage is distinct and fracture is subconchoidal, and the occurrences are oxidized zones of lead deposits. Number 106 is zircon. So the habit of zircon is prismatic, also in deuterial grains. The hardness is 7 and specific gravity is 4.3. Lustre is adamantine and the color will be colorless, red. We can say their color will be reddish, brown, yellow or grey, or also it can be found as a colorless mineral. The streak will be colorless or white and the cleavage is imperfect, and the fracture is conchoidal. The occurrences of zircon are accessory minerals of more acid igneous rocks like deuterial deposits. So viewers, it is all about today's lecture. Let's wait for my next video for more information about the physical characters of minerals. Thank you.